Welcome back to the channel. Exciting times from today. Kit 701 arrived. The kit was in the mail today. So from today on we're going to start to make this baby over there look like a rally bike. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Roland. This channel is about building up a Husqvarna 701 adventure bike, a little bit rally style. This channel is not about straightforward instruction guides or so. This is to show that an average guy like me, like with just a little bit of wrenching experience, is able to build a bike like this. At least I hope so. I guess in 1 week we will see if I can finish it. There's a lot of stuff to do because the kit really, it's a lot of parts. Kit 701 or kit690.com, they say you can build a bike like this with their kit in a weekend, and I'm pretty sure you can, but I'm not in a hurry. So I think I will cut this into 2 or 3 episodes. Not sure how many it will be. For today, I think let's start with the navigation tower and yeah, let's see how far we get. So nothing more to say, let's go and do some wrenching. Okay, let's see what we've got here. We've got the navigation tower parts with the headlamp mount, with the GPS mount, then we've got the original speedo, we have the lights, indicators for neutral, oil, and yeah, indicators. We have the ABS switch, the original one, then we have the 2 main lamps that come with the kit. This is the Squadron Sport, not the Pro. You can have a Pro version too. Then there's cables and wiring. This is the switch for the rear tank, I guess. Check this. We have to mount the switch into the navigation tower. That's why I have it here already. And last but not least, I will mount the Trailtech Voyager Pro 2. So let's start. This part goes to the frame. This part goes to the front lamp, and this goes up to the GPS plate. Where do we start? I'd say here. Okay, right now I will not tighten those up. There's a pretty nice manual coming with the kit. They say in it makes sense to tighten them just by hand, so you can make some adjustments afterwards. Okay, see, this part completed. So this is the navigation plate. All the holes are already there, so you can put the ABS and everything. And I'm not sure I will mount it first. Yes, why not? There's some rubber spaces in between. Guess for vibration dampening. Does it make sense? Yeah. Okay, so what next? Let's mount the ABS switch and those guys. And also this is perfect. Oil warning. Oop. Just simply. Yeah. Okay, this needs some pressure, but yeah, fits perfectly. Okay, if you're doing this yourself, it would have made sense to install those first and then mount it here, because you would have, well, I would have been able to apply a lot more pressure. Nope, can't. That's why we're here, learning. I didn't even know that you can take this out. I thought I broke her, but yeah. Makes it even easier. Okay, here's the problem. This one is glued on and I have some glue on this side here. And I guess this makes it hard to fit in. Okay, in the end I decided to use a white rubber grip because just with my bare fingers, it was hard. But really no problem so far. And there we go. So next, the Speedo. And another perfect fit. Yes, and of course this is another reason why you definitely have to mount the Speedo first, because otherwise it will be very hard to get the screws in. Like this. Easy. Okay, so far so good. So we've got these two parts, and we've got a base plate. This goes here, this goes here, and this, no, we will mount this one first. Those pins are for the windshield, I think. And really, I love the details on the kit, huh? This will go here, but there are already screws attached. This is a bit tricky because the pins are in the way. I could take them out, but oh no, don't have to. You can hold the nut from the inside, that will work. Got it. And again, I will not tighten those, because I'm not sure if we need to adjust those for the windshield. So we've got the squadrons, which will go up, the hella light, which will go down here, but where? Take those off. So those go in here. Okay, that's it. The hella light is installed. And now for the squadron, and like this. And for the squadron, there's a little back attached with spacers and the screws. Well, after assembling and disassembling this baby a few times, I think I finally got it. I'm not sure if I made a mistake here or not. I turned the direction of this lamp upwards and downwards because really I had to apply a lot of pressure here, and it's still not looking perfect, and I don't like when it's under pressure, but seems that this is the way to go. I hope I will not have to tear it apart again and turn this upside down again. I thought I will put this connector downwards, so if there's any water coming from upside, can it go in? Makes sense to me. Or you can't see it anymore, but it has the hella writing on here, and now it's upside down. So no idea if this helped. Waiting for feedback from the Kit 690, guys. Time to mount it here. Or maybe I will mount this to the bike first and mount this afterwards. Yeah, I like the idea. So, to the bike.